What is going on, man? So this video is just gonna be me requesting a payout from Top Step. I did make 288 tonight. I don't have a recording that I'd be able to show you for the trades, but we will be able to show you the recording for the actual payout. The trading session honestly wasn't great anyway, to be honest. It was pretty choppy and trash in my opinion, and not how I wanted it to go for the trade profile that I was looking for. But even though it was pretty ugly, we got the job done. Just look over here at the stats real quick. 60% win rate on this account as of right now. It's also not going to be as much as I'm used to pulling out on Top Step, but it is what it is, right? After 5 days, I always request a payout. That's just my rules. Yeah, so total 8 trades were taken tonight. On average, it's usually around 5 trades. You can see every day prior to this 5 trades, and then even last Thursday when I traded on this account, it was 5 trades, and then, yeah, that's really what it was. More trades. I usually take more trades on Top Step, I noticed, than I do on Take Profit Trader. Because with Take Profit Trader, I usually wait for a really good entry and then execute off that. And then there'll be one trade, 1 to 2 or 3 trades or something like that. I'll usually take per session. And then I'll be done because I'll likely be above the buffer already. And then just looking to lock in a daily payout. However, with Top Step, I'm usually more risky on Top Step. And I'll take more aggressive entries, which it was an entry I took earlier that was actually stupid looking back on it, but it was what it was. And we end up recovering from it and end up going on to make some money or whatever. And it also, a lot of my entries be break even trades too. I don't count break even trades for real. So yeah, I had a lot of break even trades, but either way, let's go over here to Top Step so we can request this shit. As you can see, 1371 is what we can pull out of there. So we're gonna go ahead and request it. I ain't requested one from over here in a little minute. What we'll do that way. That way. All right, so we're gonna be requesting 685. Do it let you do the 0.50? I don't know why I do that. Didn't actually take that shit off. Can you put the dot in there like that? I've never actually had the cents in there before. Whatever. So 685 is what we'll just be requesting in. Fuck it. We're not gonna worry about all the extra shit, damn, bro. Yeah. Let me check all this shit. Check the boxes. And that is how you do it. What the hell? 597. That's ass. Oh, it's supposed to take like 90%. Oh, they do. And then the little $20 fee. I forgot about that. So, yeah. Whatever. $600 as a payout from Top Step. The last one you see was also $500. But then the other ones that I've had in recent times when I was trading Top Step a little bit heavier, there was a little bit more. And these also came like in bunches. So it'd be like really like a 3 or 4K payout. Then looking at the second page as well. And then on the old dashboard, before the new one, I had a lot of payouts on there as well. Like even just from this one alone, it's over 10K. So they do the thing where they like take like 90% after they take 50%, which is pretty fucking trash. After you start trading other prop firms, you start to realize like Top Step payout system is like kind of all right. It's not great, but whatever. That's really all I got for this video, man. We'll see if we can lock in some more payouts come next week, and then I'll be trading another Top Step account, XFA, and then hopefully I'll have this test account pass also, which right now I need like $115 to pass this account. So we'll see if I can get it passed, and we'll be back on the pro account, locking in daily payouts sometime in the next week. So without further ado, man, on to better living.
Technically that news candle, ain't it?
Yeah, but the entry would have been valid regardless. Could have took that fuck shit. I should have took that fuck shit, really. I might take it. Target these highs or some shit. I think I will get entry because we're about to keep pumping, it looks like.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a stab at longs, brother.
Still the EMAs on the 5.
Because why not take a stab at longs? Why the fuck not?
Yeah, I think I'm about to get tapped in on this too. I could drag my shit down. Oh, that was a meme? A meme of rejection?
I feel like I got in too late. That was the problem on that. But I think we'll still end up going, even if I get tapped out. I'll live with it. Should have got in once that fucking 8:30 candle ended.
We came up and tapped that this supply zone.
Yeah.
So if they don't want to push through that, then I think they will.
You think so, Bridger? You think so? Let's see. Let's see. How many points would I need? 7.6. It's quite a few points, actually. Quite a few. I don't lie. I can't lie. Let's see if we can get through this supply level. If I see a 1-to-1, I'll move. Stops, break even. We'll let that be that.
I got a relatively decent entry since we pulled back from them, but it wasn't all that.
257.6. Damn, that shit was a tick away from stopping me out before. Surprised it didn't. No complaints, though. No complaints at all.
I mean, I low-key could lock in a winning day right here.
Not wrong with that either. Nothing wrong with that either. However, this candle do look good. So we could at least, I think. Yeah, there we go. I see the 1-to-1, so I'm going to break even this bad motherfucker. And we'll let it rock.
We get above this zone right here, though.
That's a good question. That is a good question.
We got 5 seconds on this 5-minute candle. I like how it closed, especially if we don't decide to come back down to retest.
I feel like maybe I should move my stops back, but I don't know. This could come down to this demand zone that it just created. But yeah. It is.
That brother, they whole running.
Well, she's a runner. She's a track star. She no matter I'ma get far.
Yeah, I'm up 5 right now.
Yeah, I'm up 9. I'ma lock in 240. See if it go hit this TP. The TP skis.
Where you got yours at?
267.6. It ain't even a real draw. Just that's what it is. 1500. So you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, man.
See what I'm saying?
It's just out there in the world. We're just gonna go see if it go hits this motherfucker. We're just out there.
I got take profit for like 1100. It's just out there in the world.
Just out there in the world. Let that bitch rock.
I done locked in both. So at this point, it's just let that motherfucker keep running. If it's gonna decide to keep running and keep locking in more profit as these candles get made.
I'm 1.5 points away from hitting it though, so I'm up 1140.
I'm up six right now.
I hope this next candle doesn't pull back because I feel like it will.
It has the potential to, brother.
Yeah.
But we got a lot of momentum going right now, so it could just keep running. But we are above this high right here, so no telling.
Like on the 5.
But if this candle keep running, I'm gonna just move my stops below the bottom of this candle.
We're so close.
But yet so far.
I know, right? Less than a point away. Like, don't do that shit where you get that close and then decide to reverse
fully. Look like it's doing that shit, dog.
Like, why?
Unless we get like another solid pump, it's probably gonna take me out here. My stops below the wicket is 1 minute candle.
Type shit. So,
600.
I'm gonna go over real quick why I decided to take this entry. Basically, we have a 5-minute demand zone. If I go to the 5-minute price, tap into this 5-minute demand zone, gave us a rejection. We got to break of the candle and the close above the 13 MA. Dropping down to the 1 minute. Once I seen how this 1 minute candle came in and we fully engulfed these previous candles, I went ahead and took an entry for longs. Now, my entry could have been a lot sooner. I should have got it in down here at 256.4, but I decided to wait a little bit more. So, yeah. Currently up 900. Look like we're retesting off the zone that we broke through, but I don't think it closed through on the 5. So this could reverse here, but if it does, then it does. If we go hit TP, we go hit TP. So we'll see what it does from here.
And I locked in a little over 1.2.
Order filled.
That's crazy. It was 0.8 away from hitting, bro. Less than fucking.
That's what I was saying. That's why I started hard trailing though, bro. Because like I said, I see we got a buddies this most recent high at like what zone this is.
That is so trash, bro. Like right there, bro.
We got above this 264.
Order filled.
Once we got above that, I was like, yeah.
Yeah, this shit about to sell off game for it to be doing all that. Like I'm already up a band again. Like what the fuck?
It definitely look like it is selling pretty hard. I already made 620 on the day though, so it's like I could try to get a couple extra, you know what I'm saying? But do I need to? Not for real.
I'm at 13. What do I need? Because for it to come through that strong, that was crazy. So
yeah, we came all the way back down and then immediately started rejecting.
1230.
That move down, we just came down and tested the 13 on the 30 minute though. And then it immediately started rejecting off that hole.
Order filled.
15 down. So TP got hit, $1,500 day. Cool.
Good shit, brother.
That shit
take anything?
fucking rocketed, bro.
No, I wasn't on the computer when this happened.
Yeah. And then the reason I just took this second entry was simply because we came down with hella momentum. And we got back under the 13 again, and we were breaking back through the zone, so there was no reason not to take that. So, quick trade, in and out, done.
Quick day, bro.
And I think that was, 2 trades? It really should have been one that I finished that shit in, but whatever.